to my channel. My name is Miriama Ulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys this hairstyle right here. Can you just see that? Can you see how cute this is? So the main point of this tutorial is going to be to teach you guys how to do feed-in braids using crochet. So these are crochet feed-in braids, and then this is just, you know, to add that extra But other than that, guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoy the video. Please do stay tuned and let me know if you have any questions, any comments, if you guys have anything that you want me to do next. I'm here for it. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. To start off this tutorial, I am going to moisturize my hair, and to moisturize my hair, I'm going to start off with my Vatica leave-in conditioner. I am trying out their new products, and I'm going to follow that up with their hair oil just to make sure that number one, the leave-in conditioner has brought in all that moisture that's needed back into my hair and the nutrients, and then I'm going to go in with the oil just to seal that moisture back into my hair. I had spritzed my hair already, and my hair had been moisturized the day before, so this is just to add more moisture before braiding, before adding gels, before adding all of that. You need to ensure that your hair is protected, and moisturizing is the best way to do it. And now I'm going to section off one side of my head out of the way before I start cornrowing the other side. So now that I've sectioned off my left hand, I'm going to go on and start cornrowing my right. And for the purposes of this video, I am going to show you guys how I cornrow both sides of my head side by side, with one side going slower than the other. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to take off a little piece of hair in the front, and then you need to section that into three so that you have 3 strands to work with before you start cornrowing. Once you have those 3 strands, you start just going under, above and under, and picking up from the line of hair that you already have. You're going to continue doing that until you get all the way to the back. So remember, you're going over, under, over, under, and every time that you go over, you're going to pick up hair, under, over, under, and continue to do that until you are done. If you just keep this up, if you keep going over, under, then over, under, you will get the hang of it. When it comes to cornrowing, practice makes perfect, and if you have short hair like mine, what you're going to have to do whilst you're cornrowing is you're going to have to move your hair up into the cornrow itself so that your hair can meet in the middle, because I mean, listen, your hair is short, alright? Okay, good. So continue to do that until you get all the way to the back. And once that's done, we are going to follow that up by adding Eco Styler Gel. And the reason why I'm using Eco Styler Gel is just in case there are any flyaways on my actual hair, because as I'm saying, guys, my hair is very short. But the nice thing about Eco Styler Gel is that it's not going to like harden my hair. So when I finally started adding braids using the crochet needle, it's not going to be painful. And also remember, because we moisturize our hair really well, we know that it's going to be protected. So you can use Eco Styler Gel or whatever gel of your choice. You can even just use an edge control if you don't have a lot of hair that needs to be sleeked down. I really wanted a sleeked look, so I went in with Eco Styler Gel as opposed to an edge control. And also sometimes when I have my hair, a lot of my hair out, using just an edge control doesn't really work, because it makes the hair in the front or around my edges shiny, and then the rest is just this normal 4C soft, and I don't really like the way that that looks. Go in with a brush just to seek down your edges. I'm now going to go in with a Darling braid. So this is the Darling Yucky braid. As you guys know, Darling recently introduced new styles and they changed their colors. They do not change their colors for the Yucky braid because it is a I don't know, it's one of those styles that's been there forever. And once you're done doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to feather the ends, and once your ends are feathered, you're just going to section up the hairs that you need before you start. And now all you need is your crochet needle, and every single time you're going to put your crochet needle through your cornrows and then just hold one section through and pull it the other side. So I'm just going to tie that there because I needed to mark the start of my cornrow, but you're not going to be tying the rest of your braids as you add in the crochet. So you're going to add them in and make sure that there aren't too many spaces in between. So you want to make them as close together as possible so that once you start cornrowing the crocheted braids, they don't seem too far apart. And depending on how big you want your feed-in braids to look, what you can do is add thicker strands of hair. So if you want it thinner, if you want it to look more like cornrows, if you want them to look really thick and really big, then you just add more hair and make sure that each time that you add or crochet in your braid, you're adding a thick section. And then once you do that, what you are going to do is you're just going to cornrow the same way you would cornrow your own hair. And because the braids are already fastened into your hair, you don't have to worry about them looking raggedy. And what they do is because they're crocheted into your actual cornrow, won't show, and should you feel like it's showing just a little bit, just fluff out the hair a little bit, but other than that, you are actually done with the crochet feed in braids. I found this easier to do than the way that most people do it, which is to cornrow a line in between your hair and then try and mix in these braids with your own hair. My hair is too short, and honestly the texture of Kanekalone hair and my hair are very far apart. So I've just come to realize that this is what works for me. This is the easiest way to do it, and I really like the way that it comes out. So should you guys try it, please do let me know what you preferred and what you like, and if you found this as easy as it actually is. And just because I wasn't going for a cornrow style, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my hair together right at the back, and then I'm going to go in with my drawstring ponytail. I'm sure you guys saw the drawstring ponytail that I made about a week ago. Yay! Anyways, about a week ago, and I used straws to make it curly, just to get that kinky curly effect for my drawstring ponytail. I also used Kanekalone hair to make this drawstring ponytail, and it has been a lifesaver, guys. All I have to do is attach this and I am good to go. Like, you have no idea how much it has changed my life and how much of a difference it's making in me styling my hair. So you're just going to use the combs that we put right in the front and right at the back. I'm going to link the video right here so that if you want to watch it, you can. And then I added some red hair clips just to add some boom to the style, get it to just look a little bit hey. But yeah, other than that, guys, you are actually done with this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I appreciate you. I appreciate when you guys watch these videos. I love you guys so much. Go out there and do your thing and conquer the world. Yeah, I've got to go. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I mean, you've watched it up until now, babe. So just subscribe, comment, like, share to me on social. Do the right thing. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.